Welcome to my channel DigiLearner. I am going to present a video lesson cum PowerPoint presentation on the subject matter of political obligation. In this chapter, we shall study about what is political obligation, what are the definition of political obligation and nature of political obligation. Man is social animal. He has to live in the society. As a member of the state, he is obliged to obey the laws of the state, render obligation to the state. The political obligation is one of the prominent and important issue of political theory. And political obligation and duty are synonymous and has the same meaning. It is a very important concern of contemporary world which deals with the duty of the individual toward the state. The stability of state is depends upon when and why, how does the individual obey the law given by the state authority. Individual has to perform various types of duties such as payment of taxes, participate in voting, judicial and military service which are necessary for maintenance of a political institution in the state. All these duties are covered under the category of political obligation. The duties are regarded as the part of the individual's political obligation. So, duties and political obligation are complementary to each other. They are inseparable. They are the two sides of the same coin. Now, we shall discuss about what is political obligation or what are the meaning of political obligation. The term political obligation consists of two terms or two words like political and obligation. Now, we shall discuss about these two terms and two words independently. First of all, we shall discuss about what is political. The word political deals with the policies and administration of government. It includes the entire political system of the country. The fundamental law and the people first established the framework of their political system, then they established their institute limitation and boundaries of power. That is the meaning of political. Now we shall discuss what is the meaning of obligation. The term obligation originates from Latin word obligate, which means the performance of duty, liability, duties and responsibility. It is an act which binds a person to some performance. So, political obligation is the act of the individual or the persons or citizen which binds himself for the state. It is the binding power of duty, promises or contract. An individual has to follow rules of behavior in society for which he own good for the good of others. The state was established to meet the needs of the individual and society. The proper functioning of the state depends upon a well-organized system of duties. Now we shall discuss about some of the definition of political obligation. According to T.H. Green, an eminent English political thinker, it is intended to include the obligation of the subject towards the sovereign, the obligation of citizen towards the state, and the obligation of individual to each other as enforced by a political superior. According to Andrew Haywood, political obligation political obligation means the duty of the citizen towards the state and the basis of the state is to rule. According to John Locke, consented people was the real basis of the state and political obligation. Now we shall discuss about what are the nature of political obligation. As man is a political animal, he has to live in the state or under some legitimate authority, and as such it is become the obligation to obey the command of the state. Every man lives in a state to which he belongs. he or she has to accept the command of legislative authority of the state. If there is no acceptance, there can be no order, no life. People cannot live well without accepting the command of the political authority. Those who obey the laws are punished. Those who disobey the laws punished according to the law. Obligation can be moral or obligation based on custom or convention or the way of the life in the society. Obligation can be legal obligation. Such obligations are based on rule of law of the state. Thank you very much. So, this is what we shall discuss about political obligation. What is political obligation? In the next session, we shall discuss about the paper 4th, that of BA Honours Political Science for the second semester of the political science students. Thank you very much.